Long story short, Google and the right to be forgotten. On May 13, the European Court of Justice ruled that people have the right to be forgotten. That means that Google and other search engines have to remove the links to pages with irrelevant or outdated information about an individual if that person asks them to. But what does that mean for a regular user? Well, have you ever Googled yourself only to find an embarrassing picture from many years ago or a link to a dispute that has long been settled? If that's the case, now you can ask any search engine to remove the link to the information from the results, but only if you meet certain requirements. First, you have to live in Europe. The ruling from the court only applies to the search results from the European versions of Google and other search engines. Anyone making a search on google.com will still see the full results. Keep in mind that your request is not guaranteed to be accepted. Google said that it will review case by case and decide if the links can be removed. If the information is deemed to be in the public interest and right to know, they will deny your request. That means that it will be hard for public figures like politicians or celebrities to take down results that link to unfavorable press coverage. Also, even if the search engines comply with the request, the pages with the information won't be deleted, only the links to them. The information will still exist on the web, it will be just harder to find. Google created an online form to handle the request and named a committee of experts to oversee the process. European users have to provide their name, ID, contact information, the links that they want removed, and explain why each one is irrelevant, outdated, or inappropriate. A Google employee will review the case and give you an answer. So far, the company hasn't said how long it might take to answer a request, but in just 2 days after the form was posted, it received more than 12,000 petitions. Critics believe that the right to be forgotten could be used to restrict free speech or block the growth of initiatives that want to shed light on bad behavior of companies or individuals. Given that the European Court didn't define irrelevant, outdated, or inappropriate explicitly, legal experts believe that it will lead to confusing and conflicting decisions and probably more litigation. Long story short, the right to be forgotten is an initiative with the best intentions to protect the privacy of users, but its scope is limited and it has the potential to be misused.